It's fine. It's okay. Rarely do I get, it's great. Yeah, it's great.
Yeah. Why is it easier for people to fake orgasms than ask for what they actually want?
In research, we found that there are various contributing factors to why people feel so apprehensive bringing up conversations about sex with their partners. The very first factor that we found in research to be very prominent is actually people's cultural and religious background. The second one is societal factor. I mean, we do live in a society where talking about sex is generally frowned upon unless
Mhm.
it's in comedy or like a medical setting. Third is relational. Some people are in a relationship where the relationship runs in its own different schemas. Why do you want to talk about this now? And then lastly, people find the most difficult thing in bringing up conversations about sex is they don't want their partners to feel deficient. That's the hardest part.
So somebody comes to you and they're like, my sex life is fine, I guess. What do you think they need to do next?
Fine, I guess, is not very promising, is it?
No.
And I actually get that quite often.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's okay. Rarely do I get, it's great. Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
Whenever I get that, I'm like, ooh, you're doing something right. Like, that's amazing because that's a low percentage. I would say out of 10 people I talk to, maybe one person will say that. Not to say that it's not okay, right? Like,
Mhm.
you could have an okay life for the rest of your life, and that's fine too. Like, I'm not in a business of shaming people for what they're
Mm.
doing.
Yeah.
I'm here to offer the menu. Like, I'm
Yeah.
here to offer the other items on the menu. You can pick whatever you want. You can eat whatever you want. When people tell me that, what it signals to me is they are probably having what I call a mediocre sex life. So it maintains the relationship enough, but it's not bringing them more happiness, fulfillment, or satisfaction.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it's just maintenance. Right.
Yeah.
Which is fine. There's a difference between eating okay enough to just take care of your body versus being healthy. It's the
Right.
same thing. You could just have an okay life and just have it versus having a healthy and fulfilling life. But it is work. You got to put in the work. It's not all, rainbows and butterflies.
Right. Absolutely. With anything in life, if you want to like eat healthier, you got to take the time to research and cook things. And, like with anything in life, if you want the benefit, you do have to put in a little extra effort.